Golu, a gentle pigeon with soft gray feathers, sits quietly beside Mithu, seemingly undisturbed by the parrot's endless noise. Golu, why are you always so quiet? Are you afraid of something? Mithu squawks, tilting his head inquisitively at his friend. Ominous dark clouds fill the sky above the park as the wind howls, rustling the leaves with increasing intensity. Mithu and Golu perch precariously on a high branch, the air thick with anticipation of the impending storm. The branch groans, a sharp snap echoing as it splinters under the force. Golu, help! The branch is breaking! A sharp crack splits the calm as Mithu plummets from the branch, a helpless spiral against the vibrant green. Golu, a feathered streak, dives without hesitation to intercept Mithu's fall. A daring